الماكسيمم والمينيمم. To find the maximum minimum, the first step we should find the critical point. ازاي اجيب الكريتيكال بوينت؟ الكريتيكال بوينت بتيجي عن طريق الديريفاتيف. يلا تعالوا نعمل ديريفاتيف لل 8 4t plus 4t square. What is the derivative for 8? 0. What is the derivative for t? 4 plus what is the derivative for 4t square plus 8t equals to 0. Okay? To solve these equations, how you can solve linear equations عادية جدا. How you can solve 8t equal ال 4 go another side. So negative 4. Be careful, okay? So t equal negative 4 over 8. So t equal what? Negative half. دي الكريتيكال بوينت. قبل ما تسيب الكريتيكال بوينت لازم تشوف الكريتيكال بوينت دي inside this interval, yes or no. A negative half inside the interval 0 and 4? No. Not inside الانترفال 0 4. معنى ان هي not inside the interval 0 4 يبقى انا I can't make substitute by negative half. Okay? طيب. I will complete now. يبقى دي step number 1. Step 2 اعمل substitute. Substitute by what يا بنات؟ 0 add t equals 0 and add t equals to 4. Substitute في original equations, not in derivative. What is the original equations? What is the original equations? اهي هنا نصغر شوية. 8 plus 4t plus 4t square. Substitute by 0. So 8 plus 4 0 plus 4 0 square. And find the answer. So the answer it will be 8. By using 4 substitute. So 8 plus 4 multiplied by 4 plus 4 square. 4 multiplied 4 square. Substitute. So 4 multiplied by 4 square. Use the calculator to find this answer. Equal 88. محدش يكتب كده وخلاص يا بنات. We should determine what is the maximum and what is the minimum. Okay? محدش يكتب البوينت دي ويسكت علشان في الامتحان لو كتبتي كده وما كتبتيش مين الماكسيمم ومين المينيمم نقصتي مارك بتاعت الفاينل انسر. يبقى this value maximum a minimum equals 8 at t equals to 0. لازم اكتب كده. And the maximum, Sarah, look at the board. Maximum 88 at t equals. عرفتوا امتى اعمل substitute بالكريتيكال بوينت وامتى لا؟ لازم تعرفوا هو في السبستيتيوت محتاجه اعمل substitute ولا لا. طيب اوديك واحده كمان فيها substitute ان انتم محتاجين تعملوا substitute بالكريتيكال بوينت. لو انا حبيت اكتب نفس الاكسرسايز مثلا يلا تعالى نحل الاكسرسايز ده سوا. What is the first step? Find the critical point. What is the first step? Find the critical point. يلا. How you can find the critical point يا بنات؟ Derivative. As the first step, find the derivative. Find the critical point. 0 plus 10 minus 10 t square. Sorry, t equals to 0. So 10t equals to 10. وهخلي الانترفال من هنا من 0 ل 2.
And t equals 1.
Yeah, t equals to 1. Inside the critical point ولا not inside the critical point? Inside. اكتبوا كده inside 0 و 2. يبقى محتاجة لما كتبت إن هي inside the critical point يبقى أنا محتاجة أعمل substitute at t equals to 1. محتاجة أعمل substitute t equals to 0. ومحتاجة أعمل substitute t equals to 2. وحدد مين الماكسيمم والمينيمم. Substitute in which equations? In original equation, not on the derivative. في equations original. يعني 5 plus 10 multiplied by 1 minus 10t square اللي هي 1 square. Find the answer and complete to find the substitute by 0 and substitute by 2, and after that find the maximum and minimum. It's clear now? أكيد? Okay. So if I will give you another exercise, the important idea about the limit. About the limit. نركز بقى علشان انتوا في الإكزام في الميد تيرم كتبتوا لي substitute على طول، واللي هيكتب substitute على طول مش هياخد المارك كاملة. أكمل. ديكوا second exercise ده كان في الميد تيرم برضو. Find the second important exercise. Limit x approaches to 3 to x greater than 3 و x less than 3. How you can solve this exercise? ما حدش يقول لي ان انا هعمل substitute 2 multiply by 3 2 multiply by 3 و 3 minus 5 واكتب not equal والكلام اللي انتوا كتبتوه في الميد تيرم الغلط. We should write it. Limit when x approaches to -3. Limit when x approaches to 3. We should write this information. This part we should write it, okay? If limit x approaches to -3, we should write also what is the function x approaches to -3. مش -3. 3 from the left hand side. Which is a function from 3 from the left hand side? X minus 5. Yes? So we should write it x minus 5. تعرفيني انت بتعملي substitute for which equations. Okay? يبقى we should write x when 3 from the left hand side, it is represent for x minus 5. ما حدش يحل على طول ويقول لي x minus 5 وانا اخمن هي دي right hand side ولا left hand side. Okay? يبقى we should write في left hand side. Look at the board يا جيجي. Left hand side the second equation. X minus 5. Now we can make substitute by 3. So 3 minus 5, the answer it will be -2. This is the first important information. Another part, we should write x when x approaches to 3 from the positive side, and from the right hand side. Write this information, it is very important. وأشوف أنت قصدك بالright hand side, which one? The greatest one, the right hand side. So it will be 2x. After that, we make substitute. If x equal -2 equal x 6, no. So we should write it the limit from the left hand side, not equal limit from right hand side. So the limit does not exist. But if the function equal each other, يعني from the right hand side طلع مثلا هنا -2 والبارت الثاني for example -2. So the function exists equal -2. You understand this point? Are you sure? It is very important. اوكي. البنات اللي مش هتكتب limit والlimit تكتب لي البارت دوت هتنقصي نص الدرجة. if this exercise عليه 2 mark هتاخدي 1 mark. انا I don't know مين ال right hand side ومين ال left hand side. اوكي. في الميد تيرم اوكي، دلوقتي في الفاينل انا مش هعدي. You understand this point? Okay. If we have any bracket with power, I want to find the derivative for this equation. We should use that chain rule. ايه هو ال chain rule؟ أي bracket with power مفترض إن أنا بعمل 2 step. Drop the power. Drop the power, so it will be 2. And 4x minus 8. Drop subtract. Drop الباور للبراكت subtract 1. Look at the board, Gigi. Look at the board. And after that we should find the derivative for inside. يبقى ال chain rule كان بيقول لي إن أنا drop بالpower subtract 1 للpower and we should find the derivative for inside. What is the derivative for 4x minus 8? 4. Derivative for 4x 4. Derivative for negative 8 0. So we should make simplify. لو كتبت لحد الستيب دي ما عرفتيش simplify هتنقص. So 4 multiplied by 2 it will be 8. 4x minus 8. Okay. محتاجين تكملوها أكتر تاني يبقى 32x minus 64. This derivative for this function. I will solve with you this exercise. How you can find the derivative for this function? If we have the bracket with power, we should drop subtract. So we drop the function 3, drop the power 5x squared minus 6x. Drop subtract من الباور subtract من ال 3 هيكون 2 and derivative inside. What is the derivative for the inside function? What is the derivative now? 10x minus 6. Okay, we should make distribution for the smallest bracket with the number. Okay, so you can write as 30x minus 18 multiplied by 5x squared minus 6x power of 2. This is the final answer. This exercise, it is very important. Any problem about this idea? Any problem how you can find the derivative by using a chain rule? Okay. Yes, sir. D squared derivative d square denominator multiply derivative of a numerator minus a numerator multiply derivative of a denominator. الله يسعدكم اكتبوا الفورمولا عشان انتوا بعد كده بتحلوا حاجات غلط فلاقي بس مارك اديها لكم على الفورمولا. Okay, مين هو ال denominator squared? This number. Okay, so yes, so we should write it 5 plus 3m squared.
And then 4
5 plus 3m.
Right there now.
That d. Multiply derivative of a numerator
4.
negative 4. So derivative of a numerator هو negative 4. Look at the numerator. Find the derivative negative 4. Minus الله يسعدكم minus والله العظيم minus.
5 minus.
Minus and the open bracket كده. النumerator. Yes, سارة.
5 minus 4m.
5 minus 4m. Multiply derivative for the denominator. What is the derivative for the denominator? Can 3 and the closing bracket. Step by step. Any problem?
No.
Okay. We should make distribute now.
Negative 20 minus 12m.
Yes. Negative 20 minus 12m. This is the first part. minus سيبوها زي ما هي لحد ما تعملوا المultiply.
15 minus 12.
Yes, 15 minus 12m. step by step عشان دي الغلطة اللي بتحصل عندكم. Okay, over
So it's square.
لا 5 plus 3m square. keep the square as it. Okay, complete by using distribution in negative. So negative 20 still as it, negative 12m still as it. We should make a distribution. Negative multiply 15, negative 15, negative multiply negative 12, it will be 12m. Okay, yalla, step by step. 5 plus 3m square. Collect like term. What about the collect like terms is represent for negative 20 and negative 15. And 12m مع plus 12m. 12m, negative 12m, cancel each other. Okay, cancel each other. So negative 20, negative 15, it will be negative 35. 5 plus 3m square. It is very important. Any problem?
No.
No.
This.
Average rate. مفترض ان انتوا تكونوا حافظين الفورمولا. مين فاكر الفورمولا؟ F of B over F A over B minus A. Okay? يبقى we should write the formula. بعد كده محتاجة ان انا اجيب substitute F of 5. يلا substitute F of 5 من غير ما تجيبوا derivative. الغلطة اللي كانت موجودة عندكم ان انتوا جبتوا derivative.
4 times 25 plus 3 times 5 minus 5.
Plus 3 times 5 minus 5. Find the F of 1. 4 times 1 square minus 3 times 1 minus 5. بس use the calculator and find the answer. 110. So it will be F of B 110 minus 4 over 5 minus 1. We use the calculator to find the answer. This is the average of it. هو F of B minus F of A. انتوا عملتوا calculation لدوت وتقريبا قلتوا ان هي negative 4. 4 minus 3 minus 5. يبقى 4 minus 8 equal negative 4. F of 5 ب 110 minus negative 4 over 5 minus 1. Okay, use the calculator with step by step. Any problem about this idea?
No.
Okay, so it is the important exercise solving كانوا في الميد term. Okay.